Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over BlockWallet and their blank token. Name of the token is BlockWallet and ticker symbol is blank. This token is in the top gainer section today on CoinMarketCap. It is up 63.37% right now. Token price is 7.1 cents per token. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the BlockWallet token, ticker symbol blank, is listed on CoinMarketCap. Their webpage is on here, blockwallet.io. Also listed on CoinMarketCap is their Ether scan, Polygon scan, Medium articles, Twitter, Telegram, GitHub, contract addresses, price chart, all that is on here, as well as a full audit by KRAKEN. You can just click on the KRAKEN audit on CoinMarketCap and just review the full audit if you want to. Now, there's a few different ways to get this token. Like I said, it's got the Polygon scan and the Ether scan because it is a cross-chain token. So you can get the Ethereum token from Uniswap, and you can get the Polygon token from SushiSwap. You could also get it from QuickSwap, Gate.io, or MEXC Global. Now, my favorite one of all those to get tokens on would be MEXC Global. I use it myself. If you don't have an MEXC Global account and you're looking to get this token, basically, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. All you do is just go right through that MEXC referral code down there in the description box, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search a blank V2, because this is the V2 version of the token, the updated one, and then you just simply buy the token. It's that easy. I definitely highly recommend MEXC Global as an exchange. A lot of people use it, and it is a very good exchange. Besides that, if you want to find more info on this token, you can go over to blockwallet.io. They have all sorts of info on here. They even have a career section if you want to try to work for them. You can download their app there, or the BlockWallet app, and they have a help desk if you need help. There's all sorts of info about their technology, their communities, the token, all sorts of stuff on here. So it says privacy first, self-custodial Web3 wallet. Upgrade security and privacy on Phantom, Avalanche, Ethereum, Arbitrum, BNB chain, Polygon, and yeah, all their socials are listed on here as well. Medium, GitHub, Telegram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Discord are all on the sidebar on their webpage here as well. Two different links to download the BlockWallet. You can subscribe to a newsletter. It says BlockWallet is the first crypto wallet protecting you on Web3 without any compromises. Stop the leak. Own your data. You're leaking IP address and other data to node providers. BlockWallet's privacy proxies trim your personal data. It's a VPN for Web3. And there's like a graph that kind of shows you how it works. So all these sections too that I'm reading, you can click learn more, and it will most likely take you over to some sort of document, like a white paper or a light paper. So it says stay in the wallet, swap instantly, save yourself some clicks, quickly swap tokens, and enjoy the lowest fees, no exchanges, and zero connections required. Set free In Web3, explore the dApps, connect BlockWallet browser extension to your favorite dApps, trade, deposit, lend, and farm with peace of mind. So you can use it on apps like Uniswap, or you can use it on Curve, or you can use it on, they have a few listed on here, Aave, Sushi Swap, things like that. Skip the hassle, add networks quickly. Stop adding networks details manually. Use Quick Network Select and add to any popular EVM compatible chains with just a few clicks. Available on Chrome and Brave, and you can install the BlockWallet on your PC through Chrome or Brave. Spot scams, use phishing protection. Generate unique artwork displayed on all password screens to recognize fake wallet pop-ups. Also, get an edge. Monitor fees with gas tracker. Have everything in one place. Track gas fees on multiple chains directly in the wallet. Get the most accurate data pulled directly from chain. Beat the bots. Use flash bot protection. Stop losing money to front-running bots. Prevent sandwich attacks and dexes, and mint NFTs privately. All that and still, familiar by design and so smooth, BlockWallet packs all features you expect in a wallet. So it has Trezor, Ledger, hardware wallet support, self-custodial, and no user tracking. Open source, secured by audits, and bug bounties. And like I said, you can click on their audit report just right off of CoinMarketCap. They have the Hack-In audit. They also have one listed on their page here. And they also have the GitHub that you could check out as well. Let's make the switch. So at the bottom of the page, they have all sorts of links to all their socials, bug reports, security audits, wallet terms of use, risk disclaimer, terms and conditions, all that type of stuff's on here. The first crypto wallet keeping you safe on Web3 without any compromises. Dive into Ethereum, BNB chain, Polygon, Avalanche, and Phantom chains with a simple browser extension. Now, their Twitter is at GetBlockWallet, and they have 36,700 Twitter followers. So they're doing very well on Twitter. And they have a link tree listed on their Twitter as well with all the links that you'll need. And they have 1,090 tweets. So they're very active on Twitter. They just had their most recent tweet was from November 10th, which is 3 days ago. So they're still, even though this Twitter has been around since 2020, December 2020, they're still active on Twitter as of today, or as of a couple days ago. So yeah, check it out. BlockWallet, listed on CoinMarketCap. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about BlockWallet? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box and get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.